regarding difference of aging and osteoarthritis effect on cartilage. In aging, the water content reduces. In osteoarthritis, the water content increases. In aging, the creatine sulfate divided by chondroitin sulfate ratio increases, while in osteoarthritis, glucosamminoglycan increases, so chondroitin sulfate divided by creatine ratio increases. The activity in osteoarthritis increases, while in aging it reduces. The cell count reduces in both. There is more degradation in the osteoarthritis. In aging, the modulus of elasticity increases and it becomes stiffer, while in osteoarthritis, the elasticity reduces. The modulus of elasticity reduces.